Even the best window will not perform the way it should if air can leak between the frame of the window and the house framing. This segment shows 3 ways to seal up this gap to stop drafts and heat loss. We used a basement window, but every window has the same gap behind the trim. Older windows with a counterweight can have very large gaps.
The space around this basement window has been stuffed with fiberglass batt insulation. This provides some insulation value, but does not provide an air seal. To achieve an effective air seal, we need a material between the window and the frame that stops air movement. Batt insulation can be left in the rest of the gap. In addition, there are gaps where the frame meets the concrete foundation and between the framing pieces that must be sealed. We are going to demonstrate 3 ways to air seal the frame of a window. The first uses foam backer rods. These foam tubes come in different diameters and can be found at most hardware stores. Since the width of the crack is different on either side, we're going to need 2 different sizes of backer rods. Choose a diameter that is slightly larger than the gap to be filled. Then gently push it into the crack to create an air seal between the house framing and the window frame. This approach provides a simple, no-mess solution. Batt insulation can be left in the rest of the gap. Another way to stop air movement is low expansion foam. This product must be used carefully since it can expand enough to distort the window so that it doesn't open and close properly. Our third method uses wood strips to stop air movement. Measure and cut strips of wood to the correct length and width. To create a seal, nail these pieces over the gap between the window frame and the outside frame. To install each piece, apply an even bead of caulk to the window frame. After the wood is tacked in place, run a bead of acrylic latex caulk along the seam between the framing and the strip. These 2 seals, combined with the solid wood, create a barrier to air movement. To finish off this window, we must also seal the gaps between the cement wall and the window frame itself. We've demonstrated 3 different methods using 3 different materials to stop air movement and heat loss. You can choose whichever method you feel most comfortable with.
For more information, consult Conserve Nova Scotia's caulking, sealing, and weather stripping booklet. Visit us at our website at ConserveNS.ca for more energy-saving tips and to watch other videos in this series. You can also call our toll-free Enter Info line at 1-800-670-4636.